Almost good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, excuse me. So, yeah, forgot my camera this morning, but I got it. So I don't know if you guys can see. I cleared out that with a pile, cleaned that up a bit. These wood piles, that'll be right at the end. I'll stuff them right there, as I said before. Now, this guy. That's what I gotta get rid of. So I'm gonna work my way from the top down, and yeah, so they'll be mulching. I don't know a good place to set you guys up, but yeah, let me find a good place here. Oh, and the mud is atrocious. I mean, even slipping with my excavator bad. Hoo-wee. So yeah, I might, excuse me. So I might actually work from the top down here. Yeah. So I gotta get rid of all this stuff. But yeah, I think I might work from the top down. So try to make it nice. All right, let's find a good place to set you guys up. I'll probably do a time lapse. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a little time lapse there for you. But yeah, so I'm clearing this out. Just gotta grab those logs, put them down there. So I'm at the point now where I gotta put the bucket back on and rake through this stuff to get the big stuff out, but get the small stuff in one place. Fun. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Try to do this as quick as possible. But yeah, so we need to move it. Time is running out. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a little more to mulch. Got a whole bunch of stuff cleared up. All right, I'll do an outro at home. No, I went a little time-lapse crazy. But yeah, so we're finished with that job. Just got to schmoohagen some more stuff on the entrance there. You know, move some rocks. But other than that, we're pretty much done. He said, the owner said, we'll, you know, he'll have us back eventually and we can finish up some stuff. But right now, we're good. Everything can settle. I can stop making mud. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the series of videos. And tomorrow we're gonna get the machine home. Oh boy, got a lot of cleaning to do, the truck and the machine. So, all right, stay tuned for that. And aloha and thanks for watching.